Are you looking for the best dish racks in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best dish racks. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Yamazaki Tower Wire Dish Rack. If you can't spare much countertop space, consider the second Yamazaki option recommended by writer and recipe developer Rebecca Ferkser. It's small but mighty. Ferkser has managed to fit a Dutch oven, plates, cups, and a coffee pot all onto the rack, which has a similar rotating spout to Simplehuman's. Ferkser's advice is to keep the rack propped up at a slight angle on one side. She uses 2 deli cup lids to do this, to make sure all the water drains out. At just shy of $60, it's pricier than her previous dish racks, but she has found it to be a worthy investment. In the 2 years since she bought it, the unit has held up through regular washes, of the utensil holder, base, spout, and accompanying stopper, and wipes, of the wired rack. Moving on at number 4. We have the Tomorotec dish rack and drain board. And as an affordable alternative, consider this rack that comes recommended by Hadley Sway, author of Oishiso, the ultimate anime dessert cookbook. It's also from Tomorotec, maker of the more affordable Yamazaki dupe above. This 2-tiered rack features a swivel spout that's similar to the spout on Simplehuman's, but it's retractable instead of removable, so you can tuck it in when you don't need to use it. This design detail is what initially drew Sway to the Tomorotec dish rack. Tired of how her old dish rack produced pawns on the counter, she was awed by the Tomorotec's telescopic drainage system. Now, even when water manages to escape from the spout, the tray acts as a guard. And Sway likes that the rose gold is a non-distracting pop of color. At number 3, we have the Simplehuman Kitchen Compact Steel Frame Dish Rack. Zaslow describes this Simplehuman as the Rolls-Royce of dish racks, for its practical features, including a utensil holder with 2 compartments to separate knives from forks and spoons, hooks for drinking glasses, and a rack to hold wine glasses upside down. Its most ingenious detail, though, might be the swivel spout, versus a flat drip tray, that funnels excess water into your sink. This keeps the unit practically spotless, without that pool of soapy water at the bottom, says Strategist Associate Editor Louis Cheswoff. In a second Strategist endorsement, writer Lauren R.O. loves how its box shape allows the rack to accommodate a bunch of dishes, no matter how high you pile everything. And unlike others on our list, you can choose between a more compact model and the full-size model, which costs $20 more. At number 2, we have the Tomorotec Wood Handle Dish Rack. If you like the look of our best overall pick but think it's too much of a splurge, take a cue from Alexandra Schitzman, recipe developer and founder of the New Baguette. She went on the hunt for a Yamazaki dupe once her old IKEA dish rack rusted out. That search led her to this Tomorotec that's nearly a third of the price for a similar, minimalist look. One difference is that the Tomorotec dish rack comes with a 2-compartment utensil holder instead of the 3-compartment holder on Yamazaki's. As for the rest of the design, Schitzman praises the not-too-tall plate slots, so you can dry off other tableware comfortably, and not on an angle, and the easy-to-clean detachable tray. And finally at number 1, we have the Yamazaki Tosca Dish Rack. No competitor came close to Japanese homeware label Yamazaki in mentions, with this dish rack taking the best-in-class blue ribbon as one of the most popular picks among our panelists. Just look at it. It's the best-looking dish rack you've ever seen, isn't it? Says cookbook author and recipe developer Anna Stockwell of the Scandinavian-inspired steel silhouette that's only ornamented with wood handles. But it's not all about aesthetics, as Stockwell assures us it has held up well through 2 years' worth of cleanups so far and has the capacity to hold many configurations of dishes, glasses, pots, and pans. It also boasts the Strategist Staff Seal of Approval, which is a big reason why it won the top spot, with kitchen and dining writer Emma Wartzman saying that it's a nice thing that it looks well made. And it really is well made. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.